If your iPad won't turn on, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this issue. First thing first is charge your iPad. Plug your iPad to a power source using a reliable charging cable and adapter. Use an official Apple charger if possible. If the battery is completely drained, it may take a few minutes for the charging icon to appear on the screen, so leave it connected to the charger for at least 30 minutes before trying to turn it back again. Then, force restart your iPad. Sometimes your iPad may be frozen or stuck, and a forced restart can resolve this issue. Quickly press and release the volume up button and quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the top button, the power button, until the Apple logo appears, and press and hold the button and the top side button at the same time until the Apple logo appears for the iPads with home button. Then ensure that the charging cable and adapter are not damaged. Try using a different cable and power adapter if you have them available. Try a different power source, plug the charger into a different wall outlet, or try charging via a computer's USB port. Then all you have to do is look for the signs of damage. If your iPad does not happen to open even after the charging and all this information, then it might have some signs of damage. If your iPad has been dropped or exposed to water, it might have internal damage that prevents it from turning on. In such cases, professional repair might be necessary. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.